back again with an easy tutorial, very easy. I'm going to show you how to do the quarantine WCB dance moves. Yes, it's a song, quarantine WCB, just search. It's an easy tutorial, guys. Let's do it. Okay, first he starts with show me quarantine. You can check out the dance video previously or after, I'm not sure. Okay, so this is how we start. Step, move, step, move, step, move. That's the first step. Like show me quarantine, quarantine, quarantine. Just step, quarantine. Okay? Then comes the hard part. To the left, move. To the right, snap. Okay? To the left, to the right. Okay? Okay. So, show me quarantine. Step, step, to the left, snap. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Okay? Let's do it again. To the left, snap. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After that, nay, nay. You all remember the nay, nay, right? Hey, 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 hey. You can hit it as hard as you want, so, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Then nay, nay, nay. Then turn. Then do the moonwalk or Michael Jackson, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Moonwalk. Push, push, push. This leg pushes this one. It's just okay. So let's try it again. To the step, 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 step. Yeah. To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Nay, nay. To the side. Do the Michael Jackson, then ha. Only that. Simple, easy peasy, easy peasy. Okay, now guys, go watch my dance video. Let's do it together. Cheers.
Boy.